Welcome to how to add a new word to your iPhone's dictionary. So in this video we are going to show you how to add a new word to your iPhone's dictionary. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is just simply go into the settings here. Just go to the settings here, and then what you're going to need to do is just go to this general option. And when you are in this general option, you will simply tap on this keyboard option and then tap on text replacement and then tap on plus here, and now here you will basically add the text that you want to add. Okay, so let's suppose if I wanted to add my city name and shortcut is this ATT, I will tap on save. Then I will go to the messaging app here, and I will basically I will type this message and I will just type the shortcut here, and you can see that my city names pops up, and then I can just send it. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.